Hey guys, let's make a macrame plant hanger together. Supplies you will need are macrame cord, a tape measure, a wooden ring, a pair of scissors, and you will also need 2 extra cords cut at approximately 24 inches long. This will be used as wrap knots. Start by cutting 8 cords approximately 6 feet long each. Grab your wooden or metal ring. Fold your cord evenly in half and pull it through that wooden ring or metal ring you are using. Next, you're going to take one of your pre-cut 24-inch cords and you're going to start making a wrap knot. I wrapped mine around for a total of 10 times. Go ahead and clip the tails and you can tuck those in with your scissors. Grab 4 cords and measure down approximately 9 inches. This is where you will place 1 square knot. You will do this all the way around for a total of 4 square knots. You can measure each one approximately 9 inches, or you could just eye them like I do. And here's what it should look like so far. Next, you're going to grab 2 arms from your plant hangers and you will grab an inner cord and an outer cord from each section. You will then measure down approximately 7 inches and place another square knot. Just as before, you will do this all the way around for a total of 4 square knots. And here are what your 4 square knots will look like. Again, you are going to grab 2 arms from your plant hangers. You will grab an inner cord and an outer cord from each section, and you will measure down approximately 3 inches. You will do the same thing as before and place another square knot. Once you are done with that square knot, you will go ahead and place 2 more square knots right below that first one for a total of 3 square knots in a row. Here is what it should look like. Once you are done with those 3 square knots, you will do this all the way around your plant hanger. This is what it should look like. Next, you're going to grab that 24-inch pre-cut cord from the beginning and measure down approximately 4 inches. This is where you will place another wrap knot. I wrap this one around another 10 times. You can do less, you can do more if you like. Again, clip off the tails, tuck in the tails with your scissors, and you will then measure down about 5 inches or so wherever you like and cut off the last bit of that cord. Next, grab your pot and place it in your plant hanger. You could choose to go with a larger pot this size, it is just as pretty, or you could use a much smaller pot. I did end up choosing to use this much smaller pot, and here is what the plant hanger looks like. I hope you guys love making it as much as I do. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more macrame tutorials coming up.